Leo, be honest. Giant party or sleeping in pajamas?
Definitely pajamas. But there's a special way to say that in English.
Want to sound like a native speaker this holiday? Stay tuned. This episode is packed with essential idioms. And welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm your host, Zoe. I am so happy you are here with us today. Whether you're listening on your commute, at the gym, or relaxing at home, we are glad to be part of your day. Today, we have a very festive episode, and joining me to talk about it is my favorite guest. Hi, Leo.
Hey, Zoe, and hi to everyone listening. It's great to be back. I can't believe we are already at the end of the year. Time really flies, doesn't it?
It really does. It feels like just yesterday we were talking about summer plans, but here we are. Today we are talking about New Year's Eve. We want to discuss why this holiday is important, what people actually do, and how to describe it in natural English.
I love this topic. You know, New Year's is interesting because it is celebrated all over the world, but everyone has a slightly different style. Some people like huge parties and others just want to sleep.
Exactly. But before we dive into the activities, Leo, why do you think New Year's is so important? Is it just about the party?
I don't think so. I think it's psychological. It marks a clear ending and a clear beginning. It gives people a chance to reset, to leave the bad stuff in the past and look forward to the future.
I agree completely. That actually brings us to our first key phrase for today. When people want to make a positive change in their life because of a new timeline, we use a specific idiom.
Right. The phrase is to turn over a new leaf.
Let's explain that simply. To turn over a new leaf means to start behaving in a better way. It means you make a fresh start.
Okay, listeners, let's practice this together. I'll say it normally, and then I'll say it slowly. Repeat after me. Turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf.
Perfect. So, Leo, do you plan to turn over a new leaf this year? Maybe go to the gym more?
Oh, definitely. I say that every year. But seriously, the importance of New Year's is about hope. It's a shared moment of hope. But let's talk about the fun stuff. What are the typical activities?
Well, the most iconic one is the countdown. Everyone waits for the clock to strike midnight. In New York, they drop the ball in Times Square. In other places, there are massive fireworks. We call this whole celebration ringing in the new year.
Ah, that is a great term. That is our second phrase for the listeners.
Yes, to ring in the new year. This simply means to celebrate the moment the year changes from the old one to the new one, usually with noise, music, or bells.
Exactly. Listeners, let's try this one. Shadow me. Ring in the new year. Ring in the new year.
I love ringing in the new year with fireworks. But Leo, not everyone likes crowds. What about people who stay home? Is that common?
It is very common, especially now. A lot of people prefer a cozy new year. They might invite a few friends over, order some pizza, maybe play board games. It's much more relaxed. You don't have to worry about traffic or expensive tickets.
That sounds lovely, actually. Sometimes you just want to be with the people you love. You want to have meaningful conversations without shouting over loud music. We usually call this spending quality time.
Ah, that is a very essential phrase for English learners. Quality time.
Simple definition here. Quality time is time that you spend giving someone your full attention, strengthening your relationship.
Exactly. Listeners, let's practice this. It's useful for family, friends, and dating. Repeat after me. Quality time. Quality time.
So, Leo, if you had to choose a giant party in a city center or quality time at home with a movie?
Definitely home. I think I'm getting older. I like to wear comfortable clothes. But there's another tradition we need to mention. The resolutions.
Oh, the New Year's resolutions. I will learn French. I will run a marathon. Why do we do this to ourselves?
Because we're optimistic. But there's a specific kind of resolution that is very popular. It's when you want to stop doing something bad, like smoking or eating too much sugar.
I know the phrase you're thinking of. You want to kick the habit.
That's the one, to kick the habit.
This means to stop doing something that is bad for you, especially something you have done for a long time.
All right, give this a try, listeners. Shadow me. Kick the habit. Kick the habit.
I'm trying to kick the habit of looking at my phone before I sleep. It's so hard.
That is a tough one. But New Year's is a good time to try. You know, another thing people do is look at their bucket list.
Oh, I love that concept. A bucket list. Tell the listeners what that is, Leo.
A bucket list is a list of things you want to achieve or experience in your lifetime, like skydiving, visiting Japan, or writing a book.
So at New Year's, people check their list and plan one big thing for the coming year. Let's learn this term.
Here we go. Repeat after me. Bucket list. Bucket list.
What is on your bucket list for this year, Leo?
I really want to see the Northern Lights. I think that would be magical. What about you?
I want to take a cooking class in Italy. That's high on my list. But let's go back to the night of New Year's Eve. Imagine you're at a party or maybe just a dinner. It gets to be around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. You're tired. What do you say?
You say, I think I'm going to call it a night.
This is such a natural phrase, to call it a night.
It simply means I'm finished with what I'm doing and I'm going to go to bed. You can use this after work or after a party.
This is a must-know for daily English. Let's shadow it.
Ready? Call it a night. Call it a night.
Okay, we have covered a lot. We talked about turning over a new leaf, ringing in the new year, spending quality time, kicking a habit, checking our bucket list, and finally calling it a night.
That is a great vocabulary set. If you use these phrases, you will sound very natural.
Before we wrap up, Leo, do you have any final advice for our listeners regarding English practice for the new year?
Yes. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on consistency. A little bit every day is better than studying for 5 hours once a month. Make English part of your daily life.
That is fantastic advice. Thank you so much for joining me today, Leo. It is always a pleasure.
Thank you, Zoe. Happy New Year, everyone.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in. We hope this year brings you happiness, success, and lots of great conversations. Remember to practice the phrases we learned today. Don't stress, just keep learning, and as always, stay in the flow. Bye for now.